Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily video for Tuesday the 21st of May 2024. Not much happening in the S&P on Monday. It was basically flat. Tech, however, made a new all-time high. You can see the Nasdaq was up about, well, was up 0.7%, making a new high, and the tech sector driving that with a new high there as well. Tech sector was up 1.2%. So we had some good moves from names like Microsoft, which had their Build 2024 conference kickoff yesterday. They've announced some new hardware and software, and Nvidia, which are reporting earnings tomorrow. You can see Nvidia here clearly butting its head against some historical resistance. Tomorrow's earnings result likely to be a bit of a short-term make or break event for them. But when we look at the key tech stocks, a lot of them have become, really, really large. Okay, Microsoft has got a market cap of $3.2 trillion. Apple is not far behind at $2.9 trillion. Nvidia, $2.3 trillion. Quite astounding number there, really. Google, Alphabet, $2.2 trillion. Amazon, $1.9 trillion. And Meta, $1.2 trillion. So in total, the market cap of the Super Six, we won't worry about Tesla for the time being, is $13.7 trillion. Just to put that in perspective, the GDP of the US economy is somewhere around $25 trillion. All right, so what happens is these companies can just be, they've been growing at such a strong rate for so long, and there's such a large share of GDP now, they can start to become a victim of their own success. I mean, you look at Nvidia at $2.3 trillion. Is that, can you imagine what it would take for that to go from $2.3 trillion to $5 trillion in market cap? Nothing is impossible, but that sort of arithmetic kind of boggles the mind. Worth pointing out that tech is now 29% of the S&P 500 market cap. That's the highest since early March, and really it's kind of the highest since 2000, and we all know what happened then. But the tech sector is now in the top 10% of market cap share of all time, and this is when tech actually starts to underperform. Like I said, the sector starts to become a victim of its own success. You can see going back since 1940, when the tech share of market cap gets into the top decile, the top 10%, forward returns actually drop negative. They're positive under all other scenarios. So, I mean, I know tech looks unstoppable at the moment, but, forward expected returns from this sector probably likely to be far more moderate than what we've seen in recent years. And like I said, keep an eye out for Nvidia's earnings result tomorrow after market. The market's reaction to that will be pretty key for sentiment going forward for the next little while. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you tomorrow.